All right, YouTube, we back with another one, man. Paint Prison Vlog Volume 3. And we back with another video, man. Up here at the paint shop with the Landau. It's the week after the last video, so it's another week. We still in the same spot, but looks like we're gonna use this motorcycle storage now. Looks like there's some motorcycle pieces over there or something. But other than that, I wanted to lift up the hood, get a look at the alternator. Or the radiator. I'm gonna order a new radiator. And then that's basically all I wanted to get a look at for today. Shoot another video for y'all, man. Salute to them Chicago boys, man, that's getting their cars worked on, getting them done. You know, I'm an Illinois boy, man, stuck out here in Las Vegas. And yeah, man, this is what I'm dealing with. Paint Prison. Been here since July 23rd of 2023. So, man, we just stuck. He got everything he needed. He got the money. He got, you know, everything else. So, I don't know what we waiting on. But, yeah, man, you see it, man. Still in the same position. We just got some motorcycle parts in there now, man. Paint Prison. Paint Prison. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, I'm gonna tap in with y'all on the next one, man. Stay on the lookout, man. Paint Prison Vlogs. Welcome to the KB Show, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Would y'all wait and deal with this for 2 years, going on 2 years? What would y'all do? Let me know. Yes, sir.